Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set graphic quality on the CoookieRun OvenBreak application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, if you want to set the quality of the graphics, go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and on the left side go to the second button, the game. Go to the graphics settings section, and in the first option, the graphics quality, we start to apply the changes. Actually, I use the high option, but you can select the low or the very low. And if you want to select the low, for example, just click to the square icon, and please just restart the app. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.